Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm looking at yet another twist in the WordPress / Automattic versus WP Engine fight. This time the Linux Foundation has stepped in. Let's jump into it. Alright, so let's start with a super quick recap, shall we? So last year, Matt Mullenweg got pissed off at one of his competitors, the WordPress hosting company WP Engine. At the time, he claimed they weren't giving back to the community by contributing code to WordPress, and he also claimed that WP Engine needed to pay to license the WordPress trademark. WP Engine refused, and then lawsuits ensued, and WordPress.org blocked software updates to WP Engine and their customers. It got really nasty pretty quick. And part of the battle was over the WordPress plugin ecosystem, and herein steps the Linux Foundation to perhaps solve the issue. The Linux Foundation has announced a new project called the Fair Package Manager, which aims to eliminate reliance on a single source for updates, plugins, and themes, which is more or less a replacement for the official updates and plugins from WordPress.org. So this seems like it's been a long time coming, and it seems like a sensible move to me, at least for the community. That said, I have no idea if this is going to work, if people are going to accept it, how well it might work, but I do think having an alternative to the current tooling does seem like a good idea and would strengthen the WordPress community in general and make the platform more attractive to some users. Now, what I think is interesting about this is if this new project from the Linux Foundation takes off and gets used by the community, I think Mullenweg will have some regrets about overplaying his hand as he stands to lose some of the control he had over WordPress. But for everyone else, I think this is a win. I think this would be good for the ecosystem and good for the users overall. So how will Automattic and its founders react? I think any attempts to block this project would likely garner even more ill will from the community. So if they are resistant, I suspect any responses will be more covert than outright banning or blocking. But to wrap this one up, I'll just say that this story has been going on for many months. I don't think this is the last we're going to hear about it either, so stay tuned. But what do you think about all this drama? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.